Hi, I am Shashank representing Beacon. Most of SOLIDWORKS users would like to control the part dimensions using assembly design table. I have got a way of doing it. The dimensions on the screen are the ones I'll be controlling through assembly design table. Let's create an assembly design table with two custom properties to drive the two dimensions. Use equations to link the custom properties to these dimensions. Make sure to specify the name of the custom properties within double quotes. Yes, that works.